American Red Cross did a lot of great things in the community, but I'm maybe now more aware of it. Every time I hear of a fire or a flood or any kind of a tragedy that takes place in our community, the next thing you hear is the American Red Cross is on site, helping families, helping the emergency personnel with food and things to drink. It's an amazing organization.
I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man.
Especially this winter, each week we've heard about a fire in someone's home that's put a family out of their home. But the American Red Cross always has our back. And in that regard, it's an amazing organization.
So honey, don't you fret, 'cause you ain't seen nothing yet. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man.
I can't imagine a community without the support of American Red Cross. And for that reason, I'm absolutely thrilled to be able to be associated with such a great organization and to try and cha-cha my way to raising some more money for them.
I'm a soul